Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, Yuletide carols being sung by choir.
Are you excited? Yes,
folks dressed up like Eskimos.
Alright, let's open up your gifts.
Wait, but what about...
Everybody knows.
Yeah.
A turkey.
Are you gonna do it?
I did it last year.
I can't do it. I got it.
I understand once or twice, not every day!
Not too close. Right there, just kidding. This is for you. And this is for you. And this is for you. And this is for you.
Santa must love me.
So where am I going?
Speak louder.
Okay, Mom.
Don't call me that, you brat.
Hey, this is an expensive bag brand. Why are there 2 cough drops?
We don't want to get sick from you.
Okay, time for breakfast.
So Mom, when's breakfast gonna be ready?
Anytime now.
Will I get anything to eat today? I didn't get anything last week. Am I?
He thinks he's getting food.
Fine. Now I'm thirsty!
We cleaned it last week.
I'm leaving!
You can't go. What's his name again? Actually, just go.
Stop! Merry Christmas? Santa! Oh God!
Well, kid, wake up! I can't have another child.
This is worse than home!
Sheesh! I think that kid was still alive.
Help! Help!
I mean, I could help him because it's like Christmas and all that, but like, I don't want him to like die or something and have that be on my personal record, because that personal record is something I keep very dear to my heart. But you know what? Being that it is Easter, oh wait, Christmas, I'll help him. Hey kid!
You forgot to give me a Christmas present!
My cough drops!
Are you really Santa?
See, that all depends. That all depends on what you think Christmas and Santa are all about. You see, when I was a youngin', Santa would bring Christmas cheer for all to hear and all to see and all to do. But now, it's like it's all about just presents. We live in a cynical world full of tears, and I plan to bring Christmas joy to all to hear.
I asked the question, are you really Santa?
Yes, I am.
How did you become Santa?
Come on, Beau. You're gonna have to help me walk. You see, it all started back in World War I.
Let me try
again. Let me try again. Think of all we had before. Let me try once more.
And that's how I became Santa. And also, the reason I'm like this is because I got kidnapped by a bunch of South Pole elves. They came up on me while I didn't even know they was coming. I was dazed and confused and dazed and dazed. I didn't even know how to deal with myself, so I got all sad and lived in this here sewer.
Is that where we are?
This is my home, Beau. This is my home. We will walk to my house in the sewer.
I don't want to go. Where are you going, Santa?
Back home, Beau.
One more thing. How do you even know my name?
How do I know your name? 'Cause I'm Santa Claus that lives in a sewer.
Okay, I'm leaving now. Dude, get out of my house! Get out!
This isn't your house.
Yes, it is!
No, it's not.
I live here!
No, you don't. It's all part of the contract.
What contract?
It's for
I'm your brother!
it's for insurance reasons.
What do you mean?
You're adopted.
Oh my god!
Stop crying. Oh my gosh. Mom!
Just ignore him.
Oh my gosh.